conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful. All of the elements.
I brought you into this world, and I'll take you out.
If you cold, get a blanket. We go into the store, rule number 1 and rule number 2. Don't ask me for nothing, and don't touch nothing, okay?
Look, I hope you know your homework like you know that game.
You better shut up before I give you something to cry about.
You better beat the street lights home. Don't make me come out there looking for you.
You want to go where? To the mall? Okay, well, people in hell want ice water, but they don't always get what they want.
Pick them clothes up off the floor. Do I look like your maid? Hazel don't live here.
Your father is not a glass maker.
Don't make me get my belt.
Stay out of grown folks' business.
Don't be running in and out of my house. Either you gonna be inside or out. Letting all my cool air outside. What's wrong with you?
You want McDonald's? You got McDonald's money?
We don't have stock in Con Ed. Turn the lights off.
You better fix your face before I fix it for you.
Oh, you think I'm playing with you?
I don't know who the hell you think you're talking to.
Keep talking. Keep talking. I'll knock the taste out your mouth.
I don't care what your friends are doing. If they jump off a bridge, you're gonna jump off too? You can't go.
What I look like, boo the fool?
Any man that respects you won't keep you out this late.
That room better be clean, or you ain't going outside.
Whose house? Joe's house. Do I know Joe's mother? Oh, well then problem solved. Then you can't go. That's it. That's the end of the story. Don't ask me again.
I am the mama. You are the child.
Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in with a little special announcement. For those who have followed me for any stretch of time, you know outside of the businesses that I run, like Myriad Business Solutions, the Visionetics Institute, Odyssey Media Group, I also do a great deal of work inside of the inner city communities in Houston, Dallas, and other areas. I'm asking now, as we push a fundraiser, that you support what the Odyssey Project is doing in the inner cities, especially with programs like Black Men Lead, which is a rite of passage initiative, and Restoring Ghettos Forgotten Daughters, which is a program focused on helping young girls, but boys as well, suffering from childhood sexual abuse, rape, molestation, domestic abuse, absentee fatherhood, and so many other things. The information will be in the box. Thank you. From a conceptual perspective to things. People talk about a desire to be successful.